Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Muhammad Imran Hussain, your science teacher. Today, I am going to teach you unit number 4, sounds, lesson number 4.7, high and low sounds. Today's date, 21st of March 2021, day Sunday. So, boys, before I start a lesson, I would like to revise some previous important point which is we discussed in our last class. Our last topic was muffling sounds. In that lesson, we learned about muffling. Like, what is muffling sounds? Muffling sound means to make it less louder and make it clear by covering something. Ear muffles, cotton, cardboard, ear protection. Muffle to make sound less and less clear. Silencer equipment that make sound quieter. Air defender cups linked with materials that muffle sound that are worn over the ears. Why do we need to muffle sound, boys? We need to muffle sound to protect our ears. Exposed to 85 dB for a long time, it can cause hearing loss. Equipment that muffle sounds, air defender and silencer. So silencer, you can be seeing the, I told you silencer why we use. Silencer used for motorbike, cars, trucks to muffle the sound of the engine. Right, boys? Okay, some materials can muffle sound well, some materials are not good at muffling sound. So today our topic is high and low sounds. High, low pitch, string instrument, tune, pluck, factors. So before I start the lesson, I would like to tell you the meaning of the words. Like high, a high pitched sound like a scream. Low, a low pitched sound like a growl. Pitch, how high or low sound is. Tune, alter a musical instrument. Alter a musical instrument so that it is at the correct pitch. Factor, factors, things that can change the result of an investigation. Pluck, picking up a string with your finger and letting to go. So here in this lesson is what? Slow vibrations, low pitch sound, fast vibration, high pitch sound. Like here you can be see one more word, string instrument. So what is the means of a string instrument, boys? Is a string instrument a musical instrument that you play by vibration strings? So okay, today our topic is pitch. A whistle make a high pitched sound. A whistle make a high pitched sound. Thunders make a low pitched sound. Slow vibration produce a low pitched sound. Fast vibration produce a high pitched sound. So pitch is not the same as volume. Pitch is not as the same as the volume. The volume describe how loud or soft the sound is. For example, the sound of thunder is low pitch but also loud. Some sounds have such a high pitch or such a low pitch that we cannot hear them. Right, boys? String instrument. A guitar is a string instrument. You can see in this picture. Some strings are thicker than others. The guitar has pitch that you can use to make the string tighter or looser. You can also make the strings shorter by pressing them down. These things change the pitch of the notes. When you tune a string instrument, you change the pitch of the string so that it is right for each string. Okay, boys. And now I am going to play a video for you from YouTube. Watch this video and enjoy.
Yes, we're going to go back to sound today and focus on high sound, low sound. Okay, so let's see. So what we're going to need to know after today, what does it mean, the pitch of the sound? Why do we get different pitch sounds? What factors can change the pitch of a string instrument? So let's always when we talk about high or low pitch sound, a high means like something like a scream. Low is a low pitch sound meaning like a growl. Okay, when we talk about pitch, we talk about high or how low the sound is. And when I talk about tuning, tune is to add the onto the musical instrument so that it is the right pitch. And factors, things that can change as a result of that investigation. Pluck one up between the string of my fingers and let it go. So that is when we actually see the different pitch sounds of a guitar. Now, experiment time. So, what you guys want to do actually for what's happening? If you have a guitar, correct, you can use it so you can move your guitar out to here. Very good. Now, I have my guitar here. The best guitar, Leader Ed rocks. So, let's go have a look. Now, first thing we need to do is pluck the string. So, let's listen. What happens is to one of them legs, I would tighten it. So, making it stretch a little bit. The sound of that higher or lower pitch, will it go up or down? It's clearly there. Okay. Now, so what do we observe? After we tune the guitar string, maybe tighter, we increase the pitch of the sound. Now, that is not the only factors that actually can change the pitch of a string in a string instrument. The other thing is the thickness of the strings. Now, it's all the same thickness, so that will play a factor in my situation. But normal guitar, your top three strings will usually be thicker than your bottom three, and that change the pitch as well. If you have a thicker string, the pitch will be lower. If you have a thinner string, then the pitch will be higher. Now, next thing as well, my situation, it's the length of the string. So if you have a look here in front, it's all at different lengths. It's all at different lengths. So that will also create a different pitch. So when I have a shorter string, I will have a higher pitch. And when I long the string, I will have a lower pitch. The reason for that is, so why do we get a high pitch and a low pitch sound? The reason for that is the vibrations. If I have slow vibration, that means I will have a low pitched sound. If I have fast vibration, then I will have a high pitched sound. So very important, slow vibrations will give me vibration will be mere high-pitched sound. Now, don't be confused with the pitch of the sound and the volume. Volume talks about how small or how big the vibrations are. In this situation, we talk about how slow these vibrations are. Very important, guys.
Okay, thank you so much, boys, for watching this video. Now, look at on the screen. What we learn in this lesson, boys? We learn in this lesson the pitch of a sound is how high or how low that sound is. The faster the vibration, the higher the pitch of the sound. You can raise the pitch on a string instrument by making the string thinner, shorter, or tighter. Okay, boys. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this lesson. Have a nice day and grateful day.